I'm Tony.
And I'm Carla.
We actually interviewed several different firms to come out and look at our work here. After talking with the team and Phil, we were just really comfortable with what they had to offer. And their experience, their references, it all really lined up and I think fit our personality and our culture of what we were trying to get done. It turns out as we go through the process that that bet on their culture really helped us to accomplish the project that we wanted to accomplish.
I really appreciate that they brought in Joy, and we were able to work with her, and she could give us ideas on the kitchen. I was thinking of painting it a different color, a little bit darker, and she gave me several solutions, and I was able to choose what we have now, and I just love it. It worked out perfectly.
The ability to work together was really important for us, and I'm the kind that likes to, have a plan when we go in, but as we go in, potentially make some modifications, and Phil and his team were great about that. Not only did they make the modifications that I asked for, but they went above and beyond because several of their team members would come to me and say, hey, Tony, what about this thing or that thing? And when we went through it, of course, it made sense. And so we ended up doing a lot of the suggestions that they offered up, which was great. I love that collaboration. PMV finds little things that make a huge difference. We have this door over here. First, they painted over it and it looked great, but it didn't look perfect. And Norm is a perfectionist if you ever have a chance to work with Norm. I didn't tell him to do this, he just did it on its own. He came back and he sanded it down, he filled it in, he sanded it down like probably 5 more times, then painted it. And I mean, you can't even tell that was there before. So it's those kinds of things that make such a huge difference to us.
I just always felt comfortable that it was going to be done right. And I don't think we've really run into anything. I mean, we've had little issues or maybe could you touch that up, or what about this? And they've come back every time and taken care of everything.
Any big project that you take on, you're going to have issues that come up along the way. You just will. The difference between a good contractor and a great one is the great ones will come in and they'll work with you to make sure that all those issues are addressed. And of course, we add little things. Anybody will, but they've made it right every time. And that's the dependability and trust that you have in a partner like that you just can't get anywhere else.